Ito na yung parts na binili ko online, Shopee. Uh, ito yung breakdown ng solar power na DIY. Dalawang 20 amperes na circuit breaker. Ito. Tapos isang 50 amperes na circuit breaker. Tapos yung solar charge controller, 30 amperes. At yung anong tawag dito, low voltage disconnect, this one, and yung power inverter na 1000 watts. So madali lang, may guide naman yan. So may mga label, positive, negative, positive, negative. So this one is to be connected dun sa solar panel, this one sa battery. Ito na to. Tapos ito sa power inverter, connected dito sa may 50 amperes na circuit breaker. So positive, negative din as well. May label naman yan dito, or indicator kung alin ang positive tsaka kung alin yung negative. So as well as the LCV or the LVD, low voltage disconnect. Pero hindi niya ang positive tsaka negative na so hindi ka magkakamali. So yung solar panel na binili ko is 200 watts. So tomorrow, or pag may time at medyo matindi yung sikat ng araw, mag test tayo kung gumagana yung solar panel na binili ko. I'll keep you guys updated. So I'll send another video for the testing kung gumagana siya lahat. Okay? So bye for now.